In this video, let us see the best websites which are very useful for everyone for editing, branding, copywriting, animation, and to share the files. So these websites will fulfill all your needs to help you to make your work speedier and more effective. Okay, so let us see these websites one by one. So the first website in our list is vocalremover.org. Vocal Remover separates the music from the vocals. It uses a powerful AI algorithm. You just need to upload the music file and the algorithm will do the job. The website allows you to change the audio pitch without affecting the tempo and vice versa. The next website in our list is unscreen.com. So this website allows you to remove or change the background from any video or GIF. So if you are looking for a tool that allows you to remove the video background in a couple of seconds. So this website is very useful for video editors and YouTubers. You can remove the green screen using chroma key. With Unscreen, you can record your footage anywhere and then simply get rid of the background. The next website in our list is snapdrop.net. If you don't own any iPhone or Apple product, meaning you have never used AirDrop, then this website is for you. You can definitely check out this website. Open the web page both on your laptop and phone. The website will automatically connect the devices. You can drop the file which you want to transfer and then it will appear on the other device and ready to be downloaded. The next website in our list is smartmockups.com. Create a free mockups for any device and physical layout. This is a web app that allows you to generate high quality mockups for your next presentation, website, social media campaign, portfolio, and more. If you want to access or use any services, then you need to have an account. The next website in our list is panzoid.com. This website is very useful for YouTubers. If you have any YouTube channel, you need any intros, outros, and end screen. So here you can find hundreds of templates. Here you can find many video clips. The next website in our list is midomi.com. Midomi is a website where you can find any song. You can discover, search, and play any song. If you don't remember the title or the lyrics of the song, then you can simply search here. Just type the words and this website will find the song for you. The next website in our list is kamua.com. If you are looking to resize, cut, and caption the videos, with this tool you can transform any horizontal video into a dynamic vertical video. One of the fastest way to resize the video. You can add captions and you can simply transform your video for maximum engagement and accessibility. Simply add your video, select the source language, then auto-process the captions. You can edit the words, fonts, size, position. Enjoy portrait optimized subtitles. You can easily preview how your video will look on any platform like Instagram, Facebook Stories, Snapchat, Pinterest, etc. The next website in our list is justhairrecipe.app. If you love cooking, then this website is for you. Sometimes when you browse the recipes online, you forget the ingredients. So from this website, by using this website, you can learn how to make food. Here you will find the list of ingredients and the instructions which you can follow to make any recipe. The next website in our list is jitter.video. With this website, you can make custom motion graphics. You can simply make motion designs for free. Just select the template which you like and start editing. So first of all, you need to create an account and then you can do editing. You can animate your design easily. Then after that, you can export your creations as videos or GIFs. The next website in our list is loading.io. With loading, you can make simple animations. You can create loading patterns and backgrounds and design progress bars. If you need simple animated visual elements, then this tool is for you. You can create animations very easily. The next website in our list is shortlyai.com. This website is very useful for writers and content creators. If you want to write any articles or essay, then simply you can pick up any topic, choose an output length, you can briefly input and then the AI will write for you. This service is not free and requires to have an account. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any suggestion or queries, then you can ask in the comment box. For more interesting videos like this, please like, share and subscribe to this channel.